Happy morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss the topic about financial services. We already discussed about finance system. In the structure of finance system, you divide into four types. First one, financial institutions, financial markets, financial instruments, and financial services. So today we are going to discuss topic about financial services. Let us move to the topic. Services that is financial in nature is known as financial services, and these are part of financial system. Financial service refers to the service provided by the financial industry. The finance industry encompasses a broad range of organizations that deal with management money. So what do you mean by management money means after completion of MBA, you're going to get a job. So after getting the job, you're getting some salary. So after the salary, what you are doing with the salary? Let us take example. You're going to some of the savings, or you are going to for investment purpose, or you deal with the some of the insurance companies like this. So this is called as you are managing your money. So for this management compulsory they should be there the financial services, and these companies are banks are providing for your savings of money, mutual funds for investment purpose, and insurance companies for your money savings. That is the part of example of a management money. Let us move to the next slide. So in this slide we're discussing about types of finance services. There are different types of finance services like merchant banking, leasing, hire purchase, venture capital, mutual funds, factoring, forfeiting, insurance, credit rating, credit cards, deposit services, brokerage services. These are the types of finance services in our India. Let us move to the next slide. And today we can see the problems of finance services. The following are the problems in finance services in India. The first one is the lack of expertise. The finance service sector is fully geared to the task of financial creativity. To be able to understand and implement many of the finance service scheme, experts are required. Qualified personnel are an integral requirements of this sector. However, this sector has to face many challenges due to unavailability of qualified manpower. So let us move to the next concept, that is about of inadequate accommodation. There is a growing space crunch, especially in the metropolitan cities. Cost of hiring officers to carry out operations of finance services is skyrocketing these days. Firms find difficult to get accommodation at central places to render services to the general public. This is one of the problem was facing in the financial services. Let us move to the next concept, that is inadequate technology. One of the basic problems faced by the Indian finance services firms is that they lack adequate and time-tested technology to efficiently create and deliver the financial products to the clients. Institutions and banks lack sufficient networking facility needed for undertaking the transfer of various instruments. This is one of the main problem of financial services. Let us move to the next concept, that is inadequate quality services. Providing quality services to the clients is an important feature of any financial services firm. However, due to some constraints, some problems related to technology, availability of expert personnel, limited innovation, etc., many of the firms are not able to satisfy their clients in terms of providing quality services to them. And next one is about of restricted scope of operations. In India, the scope of operations relating to finance services is currently restricted to certain segments. Though innovative services have been introduced, those services have limited practical applicability and scope. For instance, in India, venture capital financing supports startups and high-tech products. Services for providing seed capital, buyouts, mergers and acquisitions, etc. are beyond the scope of venture capital firms in India. This is one of the main problem in the restricted scope of operations. Let us move to the next concept, that is limited innovation. The growth and development of the finance system is measured in the terms of width and depth of the range of products offered by it. There has been limited innovation in the finance services products. This is the one of the problem was facing in the financial problems. And last but not the least, that is lack of sound institutional mechanism. Sound institutional mechanism is important for the growth of financial services in India. In India, the institutional mechanism for finance services is not that much strong, which is actually should be. This causes a big impediment in the growth of the sector. This is a topic about financial services and the problems of finance services. Thank you.